stop. With push to stop, we have eliminated 98% of these touch points. Today, we will show you how to achieve more output with less people while reducing cost. We invite you to be inspired. Hello and welcome to Heidelberg. I am Lorena.
And I'm Mark.
Hi Mark. So tell us, 98% fewer touch points. Why is that so important?
So a global survey of printers showed that 80% of them are seeing their biggest challenge in the competitive situation, and almost 70% are stating that the labor market situation is causing them headaches. So it's essentially about labor shortage and cost pressure. And due to that reason, it's even more important to unfold existing potential to withstand the cost pressure. And therefore, our motto here at Drupa is unfold your potential.
The good news is this potential exists and it is enormous. Achieving more output with less people requires a few essential ingredients. First, peak performance technology with automation at the highest level. Second, smart processes and digital workflow integration with Connect. And third, intelligent operator guidance and assistance systems.
And peak performance technology is a very important component, with mainly robust and powerful technology, like the brand new Speedmaster XL106 here behind us, which, while we are talking, continues to produce autonomously.
You may be asking where the operator is. We are wondering that too. Johannes? Ah, there you are. Hello, Johannes. So that's the new Speedmaster XL106. A higher speed is possible, right?
Indeed, it is. 21,000 sheets per hour in perfecting mode. So I'm getting goosebumps when I'm hearing that. Do you feel the difference too? So, and with that, peak performance has been redefined. So that the new Speedmaster XL106 is able to print almost 6 sheets per second. A lot has been optimized, from the feeder to delivery. And you can learn more about that in one of our breakout sessions right after our presentation.
Over 15% more printed sheets are possible in production compared to 18,000 sheets per hour. Taking it one step further, we can equip these machines with our new fully automatic wheel changing system. This saves valuable time and labor for even higher productivity. With the high speed, we have seen that the operator has even less time. After only 100 seconds, the job is already done here behind us. This puts a major strain on the operators. That is why we have not just focused on the top speed. Digital integration with Connect and intelligent operator support are just as important. With push to stop, we address exactly that. And now with AI, we have a powerful tool that we are already using today and which has even more potential in the future.
And in a short-run environment like we are presenting here today, there would be more than 20,000 touch points needed over the entire process every single day. So just imagine that, 20,000 potential sources of errors, 20,000 delays that can be triggered if the operator, Johannes here, sitting on the floor, not is at the right spot at the right time. And 20,000 touch points, honestly, that no one wants to do anymore. So we have managed to reduce these touch points by 98%, coming down over the entire production process, coming down by 98%, which is giving all our operators a couple more windows in their day.
Well, we don't see any windows here. So which windows are you talking about?
So it's not windows in the classical sense. It's time windows for sure. So, and we have managed to create plenty of those. So whenever a manual task is required somewhere at the press, time gets lost. Sometimes it's just a few seconds, and very often it's much more than that.
And how should we imagine this? Please give us an example for that.
Sure. Just take a look at our plate to unit system. So the plates have to be changed with every single job. And without plate to unit, our operator would be required to prepare and to remove 8 plates every 3 minutes. That's a lot of work. Today, with plate to unit, he's just preparing a cart with new plates once or twice an hour and loading them to the machine. And this cart is prepared by our fully autonomously producing supercenter CTP system, which is exposing from the pallet and delivering finished plates to that cart.
That sounds like many steps have been automated. Tell us more about that, please.
Yeah, sure. So the press is getting the jobs in the right sequence directly from our software system Prenex. The machine is monitoring itself for quality. We have self-learning assistance systems, and the waste extraction system is removing waste sheets from the press. A finished pallet is leaving the press fully automatically. And in the cutting area, we have an ergo jog system which is jogging the sheets. The jobs in the folder are starting automatically, and even the folded layers are stacked to the pallet automatically.
Okay, now I understand. So this is the key to achieving more output with less people. When folding, the operator used to handle up to 7 tons in one shift. Nobody wants to do that anymore. That is why the use of robotics is becoming increasingly important. We present to you the StackStar C. C stands for coexisting. This robotic system is not limited to the folding machine. You can move it wherever you need it. Flexibly, it supports your production according to your requirements to relieve your staff of physical tasks. If more performance is necessary for longer jobs, then the StackStar P, P as in performance, is the right choice. So we have 2 robotic systems optimized for high volume and high flexibility.
And the TH82P folder over there is effortlessly able to handle the output of this machine here. So with push to stop, we are reducing touch points by job changes. And ingenious shingled folding concept at the folder has been significantly improved. The new perfect grip folding rollers with that handling has never been easier. And a new, very intuitive user interface is completing the entire system. So with automation and robotics, it's even possible that one operator is running 2 of these machines alone at the same time. And we do have a lot of innovations in cutting too. So with the new ergo jog system, we are addressing the most labor-intensive part of cutting, which is jogging and stacking the sheets. So this is now performed by our ergo jog system. Over there you can see it, and you will learn more about that in one of our breakout sessions with Fabio over there.
You can see how far industrial production has come today. You can also see how it is possible to achieve more output with less people, to produce leaner and reduce cost. Digital integration with Predict is the foundation for autonomous production and process transparency. Predict controls the entire workflow and recommends the optimal output system, traditional offset production or digital output systems. Automation combined with assistance systems relieve the operator and create time for the remaining manual touchpoints. Industrial offset production is more economical than ever before.
That's right. And however, the technology we are showing here is not only available for peak performance. You can also be very successful with many other products from our portfolio, which are scalable solutions, customized for your individual needs and business goals. And maybe I'll give you an example. So many people think that digital is the only solution for short runs. And in fact, you can also be very successful with our Speedmaster XL75 any-color technology in offset quality, where you can print for about 2.5 cents a 50 by 70 sheet.
Wow, that's just around half a cent per A4 sheet. Are you curious? Then please feel free to visit our 4 breakout sessions with in-depth information right after this show. It is really worth seeing them.
So it's very easy to operate and cost efficient. The Speedmaster XL75 any color. To your right over there.
the reduction of touch points with Connect and automatic plate production over there.
The brand new Speedmaster XR106 with its push-to-stop innovations right here behind us.
And innovative folding, robotics and polar cutting systems to your left.
So as you can see, there's lots to discover. Push-to-stop has reached the next performance level. And let yourself be inspired to discover the potential you can unfold.
Thank you so much for visiting Heidelberg today and have a great day here. Unfold your potential.